Made possible by brainybuyer.com and viewers who subscribe. We test, chart, and compare so your wallet wins. Want more no-nonsense reviews? Smash subscribe to keep them coming. So I'm looking at these two grills, the Nexgrill Fortress and the Weber Summit S-660. Big difference in price, huh?
Huge. The Nexgrill is like $180, and the Weber is pushing $2,850. What are you planning to grill? A whole cow?
Haha, no. Just trying to figure out what I need. The Nexgrill is portable, right? It's only about 28 pounds.
Yeah, the Nexgrill's designed for camping and tailgating. It's got those easy lift handles and a compact design. The Weber, on the other hand, is a built-in. You'd need an outdoor kitchen for that beast. It weighs only 20 pounds, however.
That's a big difference. So, cooking space. The Nexgrill has 263 square inches. How much does the Weber have?
The Weber boasts a whopping 769 square inches. That's enough space for a serious barbecue. Plus, it has 6 burners compared to the Nexgrill's 2.
Okay, so the Weber is for serious grilling. What about power? The Nexgrill puts out 13,500 BTUs.
The Weber doesn't list a BTU, but with 6 burners and a larger cooking area, I bet it's significantly higher. It also has stainless steel cooking grates, whereas the Nexgrill has cast iron.
Cast iron is nice for heat retention, though. The Nexgrill also has a griddle insert, which is cool.
True, the 2-in-1 griddle and grill is a nice touch. The Weber does have a rotisserie, which is fancy if you're into that sort of thing. It also has lighted control knobs and a smoker box.
Rotisserie. Tempting. But honestly, I think I'm leaning towards the Nexgrill. I don't need a massive built-in grill, and the portability is a big plus for me. Plus, the Weber has some pretty bad customer reviews.
Makes sense. The Weber is definitely a luxury item. If you just want something for occasional grilling, the Nexgrill seems like a solid choice. It's got good reviews, and that price is hard to beat.
Yeah, and the Nexgrill has a temperature gauge built into the lid, which is handy. I think I'll go with that one. Thanks for the help. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.